John Boy's Radio and Electronics Workbench. Today I have a Magnum S-980 in from the customer. Dropped it off a couple of days ago. Said it had a segment out on the frequency channel display. Let's take a look. And it does. Oh, it's got a couple of them out. Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's kind of blotchy. I see that on the camera. It's not blinking like that. It has to be frame rates doing that. So I don't know if you can see that, but the segment's out there and segment's out there. So I'm going to disassemble this guy, see how hard it is to replace that part. Okay, I got the covers off and I got it all torn apart. I managed to get the old one out. Here it is. And it does appear to be defective. I'm going to go around on the tracker here and see which ones I can light. I don't know if you can see it. Probably won't be able to see it. That one's on. Yeah, it doesn't really show up on the camera very well. That one's out. That one's good. That one's out. That one's good. So that pretty much tears it. Here's the new one. The letters are a little bit bigger. I hope it fits inside the graticule okay. It's got to be this way here. Yep. Don't, and that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Looks pretty good. It was a little scary getting it out of there. It's a double-sided board. I'm gonna have to change tips on this guy. Change tips on my soldering iron here. Need a better tip. A nice longy thin one for this job. So the bottom is, check this one more time before I put it in. Yep, the bottom's there. Pretty hard for you to see any of this stuff. I'm using the tracker for this because it current limits. And it's really blurry on the yeah, looks funny on the camera. But all the segments are lighting up. That puts that in the bottom like so. If I can get it all, these pins to line up. Who said no? Come on. Get all these pins lined up. There it goes. Perfect. Take this protective cover off. Okay. Very carefully, I have to resolder this. And cut all the ends off. Come on. We'll just tack one here. Some solder. Tack the corners. Okay, that one's in. Oh, dang it. That one looks good. It's in a tight spot. Okay, moment of truth. Oh yeah, we have ignition. Look at that. Brand new blue display. Think you'll be happy with that. Hopefully it'll look kind of okay on the inside. It's a little bit bigger than the other one, so I'll find out when I get the bezel back on. Alright, I'm going to button this back up. Put the bezel back on and see what it looks like with the bezel on. So I gotta cut these, cut the excess lead off here. Alright, if I can get this part hooked back up, goes into this little notch here. There's one side. This goes into its nice little notchy side. Put some screws in here. Done. That's all good. Now let's see what it looks like with the bezel on there. just see what it looks like with the bezel on there. It's not too bad. Yeah, I think that'll work. What do you guys think? Don't mind the flashing, that's just the frame rate on the camera. It's not doing that here, and this doesn't look white, it's blue. So that's good. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of this back together, and I'm going to flip it over and do a frequency check on it. He wanted me to check that too. Frequency check. So get that going. So it seems to be a little bit off frequency. Got it set it. The counter agrees with it. This guy here centered, we are at 28. That exactly on the 2-bit jitter there. That one right there. Yep, it's a little bit out. Could use an alignment. So let's do that. To do the alignment on this one, I'm going to have to get my counter here and plug in the probe up here. There it is. Okay, so I gotta pull the counter out to get to the test points, to get to the cans. Gotta pull the counter out, get it out of the way. Okay. Looks like it went into the first screw. Okay, that's fine. And there I am right there. All the goodies. It's only one bank. It shouldn't be too hard. Get my ground attached here. Maybe, maybe not. Goofy darn thing. Oh, guess I gotta turn it on. There we go. 16.49, if I remember right. So where am I at here? Should be right at 0. Ooh, these are touchy. The counter's right on the money. Okay, there's AM. Let's go to upper sideband. As you can see, I'm trying to get that right on the 2.5, and it is really touchy. Okay, we'll leave that there. That's as close as I can get it. This one's going to be 7.5, I think. Come here, you. I don't want to move. Yeah, better doodad here. Try this one here. There we go. It's a little stiff. 7.5, that's right. That one right on 7.5. Where is the transmit? Hot. It's got to be the squelch there. It's got to be something hiding in here. Okay. Okay. Had to pull a book out on this one. Take a look at that. And we have achieved alignment. There is the transmit frequency on 185. It's right on the schmickin' money. This has an unlocked clarifier, sort of. So there's no transmit frequency. And the counter reads good. It's a little bouncy. I don't know what's going on there. Counter bouncing around a little bit. Don't know what's going on there. But I think that'll do it. The meter's a little bit off too. I'm gonna tweak that up. Might as well check the okay. And there's the that goody part of it. Okay. Got the scope up. I'm going to do this receive peaking. I'm going to do that on sideband, so we'll go to upper sideband for that. I need to hear the tone. That looks pretty good. Turn that up. See it. Wow. That came way up. Just that one can. Okay, that's sideband. Let's go to AM. And these are glued in place, so I can't move them. I ain't gonna force them. I don't know why they do that at the factory. Bunch of ding-dongs. Okay, let's turn that down. Get the meter back up here. Check the, there we go. Just that one thing. Now we're reading S9 pretty good. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right about S9. I should tweak it a little bit. Where's that can? AM. It's got to be this guy right here. I want that sucker right on. Let's go to sideband. And that one's right on. So we'll leave that one alone. Pull that out, don't need that no more. And now let's check the transmit meter. Okay. Audio, 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 audio. Looks pretty good. Okay, what's the meter look like? Meter says 10, 11, 12. Yep, meter's good. Okay, I'm not going to fiddle with it anymore. Put the cover off, put the covers on, put it on the air. Do the usual. Do the usual spectral analysis real quick. See if I can do that next. Okay, now I've got the spectrum analyzer on board. I'm going to key this puppy up. I think it's going to key about 10 watts. I'm going to turn the modulation down real quick. Where are you at? Mic gain, yep. And that all the way down. And there we go. Sure is a dirty sucker. Look at all that hash. There's a bunch of junk in there. Turn the peak table off, see what kind of junk we got. Look at that. We've got 27.185. That's the center one. I don't even see it there. Yeah, look at all the hash. That's really crazy. .136. Yeah, the spectrum analyzer is a little erroneous there on this one, but I know that's 27.185. It's probably because I've got the bandwidth so wide, and the bandwidth so, yeah, I got the bandwidth down to 3 kilohertz, which makes it a little bit off when it's trying to measure stuff, because I'm on start is 1 megahertz and stop is 100 megahertz. So, but anyway, there's all your hash, and there's the second harmonic, which is down about 50 dB, which isn't the greatest. That's the way these radios are, I guess. This is the first time I've seen one. So there's the spectrum analyzer analysis. Out there. Alright, she's all back together. Got her on the air here. Pretty noisy on channel 19. Here's the old display chip. This is what it looks like. Had 2 segments out. Looks like it's got a segment out there on the counter too, but we can't even get that part. I really don't think that part's available. Even this wasn't exactly the right one. The numbers are a little bit bigger, and they're a little bit brighter. So I guess you'll have to do with the way it is. Well, we got power. I'm going to set this about half. AMT, I don't know what the AMT is. Set that at half. Nothing much with it. I don't know what some of this stuff does. Mic gain. Squelch. Everything else. So everything else is good. Let's spin the dial here. There's the Super Bowl. Get a frequency alignment on it. It's a little bit better than it was. How about sideband? Pretty weak. I hear him out there in the distance. He had no other complaints. All right, Virginia, nice. Okay.
Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah. Well, this Hamfest is coming up. Go buy another one. But don't advertise that you're looking for one, because there's heathens out there who'll get there before you. I think I might go in and with somebody and get the inside scoop. That's what I've been told I need to do. Just hook up with the guys and get in there before the hundos. I just want to get on the channel. Telephone call, so I can hook up my VHF right now. Oh, what kind of antenna?
All right. That's our local channel there. Okay. And here I am at the end again. That was the Magnum S-980 in for a repair. Replaced the display channel display chip, and it wasn't too bad. We got that in and out of there without any trouble at all. So thanks for watching, and God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.